So welcome back to the series From Plank to Planche, where I will be teaching you all the static skills, starting from a skill as basic as an elbow lever to one of the most advanced static skills, the full planche. In this video, I will be teaching you how to do an elbow lever. Now I know this particular skill is not as much recognized as the other skills, but if you are a beginner or even an intermediate, having an extra skill in your arsenal can be beneficial in the future. Still, you won't use it as much as the other skills, but you can incorporate this particular skill in transitions to other skills. Let's say from handstand to 90-degree to elbow lever, then back to 90-degree and handstand. Honestly speaking, elbow lever is really easy to learn. There are just 5 steps. Now the first step is you have to learn where you have to place your elbows in the area of your stomach so that you will be stable upon your hands. Now for starters, just sit on your knees, straighten up your hands and bring your elbow closer to your stomach where you can easily place them. Someone may be comfortable closer, someone may be comfortable in the wider angle. Depends on mobility. Now for the second step, do the same thing, just this time your palms will be attached to the floor. So straighten up your hands, bring your elbows closer to the stomach, wider or closer, doesn't matter. Place your elbows to the stomach, and this is already the second step. Now it's really simple after this. For third step, you just have to do push-ups and build up your strength to actually hold yourself on your elbows. I'd say 10 to 15 push-ups would be enough strength for you to know that you are able to hold the elbow lever. Just do the thing, straighten up your hands, bring your elbows closer to your stomach, and you are already doing the push-ups. Now when you can easily do 10 to 15 push-ups, focus on lifting up your body. Straight hands, elbow to the stomach. Now from here, what you have to do is lean forward and shift your weight leverage from your legs to your head. You just have to visualize it, that you are shifting your weight from your legs to the direction of your head. Shift your weight from legs to head and try to lift your legs. Even if you are lifting one leg, that's enough. That's already a progress. Build your strength to lift both of the legs at the same time and hold it. If you can build your way up to the third step, you are already way closer to unlocking your elbow lever. Now the fourth step is just opening up your legs. Yes. No. So place your hands, lean forward, lift up your legs and try opening from your knees. Progress to open legs and hold it. Now the last step is just joining your legs together and voila, you've unlocked your elbow lever. Elbows to the stomach, weight shift forward, lift up your legs, open your legs and progress slowly to the joint legs. Now it can take a bit of time for you to progress from step 4 to step 5 because step 5 takes a bit extra strength to hold in comparison to the step 4, because the weight that was shifted earlier in the step 4 is now centralized and in one line. But if you keep practicing consistently, you will soon unlock elbow lever. It's a really basic and easy skill. Anyone can do it, trust me. So that was it for this tutorial. I really hope that you got some value from this video and you unlock your elbow lever really soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.